From clattering type bars to silent touchscreens, the typewriter's journey is progress you can feel at your fingertips. From clattering keys and ink ribbons, the mechanical typewriter gave writers speed and permanence on paper. Then came the electric typewriter, smoother and faster, reducing effort while keeping the familiar rhythm of typing. Dedicated word processors bridged the gap, combining typing with digital editing, reshaping offices and publishing. The keyboard became the gateway to computing, from coding to communication, defining the digital age. And today, ergonomic, wireless, and touchscreen keyboards dominate, designed for comfort, speed, and seamless connectivity, unless you hit caps lock by mistake. Which era's design speaks to you most? Stay tuned. History's unfolding evolutions await.